Umarap na sa media kanina ang kampo ni Manny Pacquiao para sagutin ang mga kontrobersya kaugnay sa TV rights ng laban ni Pacquiao kay Ricky Hatton. Nagsorry rin si Pacquiao sa fans dahil sa gulong nilikha ng naturang kontrobersya. Nagpapatrol TJ Manotok.
Bago nagumpisa ang press conference, bumati muna si Manny Pacquiao mula sa Los Angeles, USA sa pamamagitan ng telepono.
Salamat po sa lahat ng mga tumulong. Ang pinagpapatawag kasi ng meeting dahil sa mga isyu na dapat sagutin.
Sa statement na binasa ng abogado ni Manny na si Jen Gacal, humingi siya ng tawad sa nangyaring kontrobersiya.
Manny Pacquiao reiterates his profound apology for this unfortunate incident which created confusion and division among his fans and also supporters of the warring television networks.
Iginiit ni Manny, hindi siya ang lumapit sa ABS-CBN kaugnay sa paglipat ng TV rights ng kanyang laban.
According to Manny Pacquiao, sometime last February of this year, before he left for training camp, it was Miss Diane Castillejo, a sports reporter, television host of ABS-CBN, who approached him with the idea that ABS-CBN wants his forthcoming fight against Ricky Hatton shown and aired on their TV station.
Bagamat alam niyang may kontrata siya sa Solar Sports, kinumbinsi umano siya ng abogado ng ABS-CBN na may butas sa kontratang ito.
He was made to believe by the lawyer of ABS-CBN that there was a violation on the part of Solar which convinced him to entertain the idea of transferring the TV rights to ABS-CBN.
Lumabas din sa ilang dyaryo na pera o kasakiman umano ang nagtulak kay Manny na lumipat sa ABS-CBN, pero hindi raw ito totoo.
When he was being sweet-talked into transferring the television rights until he was made to sign the documents prepared by ABS-CBN, they never discussed how much he will be paid.
Nang makapirma na raw sa ABS-CBN si Manny, saka pa lang siya nakipag-usap kay Atty. Gacal tungkol sa implikasyon nito. Ayon kay Manny, sinikap umano ng ABS-CBN na bayaran na lang o i-buy out ang kontrata ni Manny sa Solar Sports, pero hindi raw ito nagbunga.
Manny did not complain as to the amount he will be paid, even though it was far below the amount he receives from Solar pursuant to their license agreement. This matter was relayed to me, for I was tasked to call Solar and get their approval for the buyout offer of ABS-CBN for the Pacquiao-Hatton television rights. The offer was flatly rejected by Solar.
Paliwanag ni Manny, siya ang biktima sa lahat ng kontrobersiyang ito.
Yes, he admits he is not without fault for this mess. He was too trusting and too accommodating and too shy to say no.
Tanong ng ilang media sa abogado kung totoong inalok si Manny ng suporta para sa kanyang pagkandidato.
He admitted to me that yes, there was discussion on such issue, that he was promised political support forthcoming 2010 elections.
Pero tumangging pangalanan ni Gacal kung sino sa ABS-CBN ang nag-alok ng tulong. Nauna nang sinabi ng chairman ng ABS-CBN na si Ginoong Gabby Lopez na walang ginawang anumang paglabag ang Kapamilya Network.
Si Manny ang nag-approach sa atin, hindi tayo nagkuha sa kanya. There is no deal on the politics. Portayin na lang natin siya and wish him well.
Iginiit rin ng ABS-CBN sa isang statement na nasabi na nito ang lahat ng kailangan sabihin sa usaping ito.
I tried to dissuade him from calling this press conference and just move on and focus on his training for the Hatton fight on May 2, but to no avail. He wanted to clarify things.
Nakain ko kayong pasalamatan lahat sa inyong pagdalo. Maraming salamat.
Hindi sumagot sa mga tanong si Pacquiao. Hinayang ang kanyang abogadong tumugon sa mga ito. Ayon kay Atty. Gacal, hindi raw totoong si Pacquiao ang lumapit sa ABS-CBN kaugnay sa paglipat ng TV rights ng laban niya kay Ricky Hatton.
It was Miss Diane Castillejo, a sports reporter, television host of ABS-CBN, who approached him with the idea that ABS-CBN wants his forthcoming fight against Ricky Hatton shown and aired on their TV station.
Hindi rin daw pera ang naging konsiderasyon niya sa noong siyang pagpapalabas ng Pacquiao-Hatton fight sa ABS-CBN. Ni hindi nga raw nakalagay sa dokumentong pinirmahan ni Pacquiao kung magkano ang ibibigay sa kanya ng ABS-CBN. Pero pinangakuan daw si Manny ng suporta ng ABS-CBN para sa 2010 elections.
He admitted to me that yes, there was discussion on such issue, that he was promised political support on the forthcoming 2010 elections. Hindi ka pwedeng pangakuan o humingi ng political support sa isang television network because it could possibly derail your candidacy because it could be a violation of the election code and other pertinent laws. Because I know for a fact that media should be neutral. I have never asked the permission of Mr. Manny Pacquiao if I will be given the authority to mention names as far as the political promise is concerned.
Wala rin daw abogadong kasama si Manny na papirmahin siya ng dokumento ng ABS-CBN.
He was too trusting and too accommodating and too shy to say no, he says. When he was made to sign the ABS-CBN documents, he was not assisted by his own legal counsel.
Kinontra rin ni Atty. Gacal ang sinasabi ng ABS-CBN na may pahintulot daw ni Manny ang pagpapalabas nila ng statement nito kung saan sinabi niyang lumilipat na siya sa ABS mula sa Solar. Ang pinayagan lang daw ni Manny ay ang pag-ere ng mga sumunod niyang interview kung saan nag-iimbita siyang manood ng kanyang laban sa ABS-CBN.
There was a consent on his part for the second and the third airing because ang sabi sa kanya, gawin natin to upang ang Solar ay bumalik sa negotiating table. Yung pinakaunang airing.
So yun po yung wala?
Yun ang wala.
So ano po yung mangyari sa ganun? Kunyari, walang consent, habulin pa po ba yun?
Hindi na. Tapos na. Ang gusto lang ni Manny is magkaroon ng closure ang problemang ito.
Hininga namin ang reaksyon ng ABS-CBN. Ngunit iginit lamang nito ang mga nauna ng inilabas na pahayag na si Pacquiao daw ang lumapit sa kanila. Wala umano silang inaalo kay Pacquiao kaugnay sa politika. At may pahintulot umano ni Pacquiao ang lahat ng inilabas nilang pahayag nito. Para kay Manny, nais na lang daw niyang matapos na ang isyong ito at makapag-concentrate sa kanyang pagsasanay sa nalalapit niyang laban sa Mayo.
Yun po ang hinihingi ni Manny na naibigay niya ang side niya and then pagbigyan ng kailangan niya na bigyan siya ng space upang makapag-fully concentrate.